No fear, sweet and dear. Queen came on the 3rd of July. Alias Senteze, life ajifuga. It's your birthday, spliff in the air. Yeah, you are beautiful in every way. Better grateful, don't complain.
Good morning. I am up and about for a morning walk that I did not plan for today, but I went to sleep last night thinking, even though I really didn't want to walk this morning, if God woke me up around 6:30, I would get up and walk. 6:26 is when my eyes popped open, so here I am. And I know that's like a real specific time to get up, but I don't know about where you live, but here in the Charleston area, it is hot like into October. It cools off maybe mid to late December, but when you're walking 9-10 o'clock in the morning and the sun is sunning, you find when you go to your brother's wedding in April that you're about 3 shades of brown that you didn't know you were, because you've been wearing sports bras and tank tops all summer on your morning walks. So I said, like in the spring, I would start covering up. I would wear t-shirts. So then, and it doesn't take much for me to tan. Like if I wasn't covered up, if it wasn't overcast right now, even this little area right here, I would go home and I'd have like a very distinct tan right there. So I started wearing t-shirts, but even with the t-shirts, like everything below the sleeve of the shirt would be tan. And then my face and neck would be a different color. My legs were like yellow, as we call it in our community. That's how light I was, because my husband bought me these really cute, comfortable yoga pants that cover up my legs. So I determined that unless I wanted to keep looking like a patchwork teddy bear, I was going to need to, 1, cover up, and 2, get out early enough that the sun was not too high, and like it's May, but it's about 65 degrees right now and breezy, so I'm not, soaking wet under this fleece. I'm getting a little warm, but it's not that bad. So far, this has been my morning walking regimen to get my walk in, my conversations with God, and not turn all shades of brown. I wanted to share with y'all my ceviche salad. Now, I've never made ceviche with like just using the lime juice to cook more or less the shrimp. I always, you know, steam mine a little bit, boil it a little bit. But yeah, this is what I was concocting in the kitchen. And before y'all ask, why am I sitting in the backyard with a bonnet on my head? Technically, it's not wash day. Yesterday or last night was supposed to be wash day, and I was real tired. Like, I couldn't get myself together. And what I've been trying to do for the past few weeks is be consistent about restoring the health of my hair, because the women in my family start thinning at a certain age, and I was like, I refuse to let that be my portion. So I've been praying, I've been researching. I found some really great products, and then I went down the Pinterest rabbit hole to try to figure out what my particular hair type needs to keep it from breaking, because I know that my hair seems to have started breaking really easily, and I know part of that is keeping it moisturized, but I had to figure out how to do that so that my hair would maybe not stay moisturized, but be more moisturized, because it seemed like even with the bonnet, even with the satin pillowcase, it just felt like it was really dry all the time, and that was really annoying. So I did some research, and one of the things I've been doing is to deep condition my hair overnight for the past couple of weeks. So what I would have done last night, I'm doing today for like 8 hours, because I don't want to get off schedule and give myself any excuses to not be consistent with keeping up with my hair routine. So I figured if I got up early, put all the conditioner and stuff in my hair, and then just let it sit all day like I would have done last night, then it's basically the same effect. And then I can wash it out today and I'm still on schedule.
That's pornography. I did not sign up for you to have me with my damn clothes.
First of all, I was recording
so you're not supposed to.
CJ. You jumped your behind in my frame. So, the Hubs is off today, and his friend invited us over to their pool. So we are having an impromptu pool day, I guess. And I'll be honest and say I have issues moving quickly and getting out of my normal kind of daily frame of mind of I'm gonna just, do this that we usually do, homeschool and then editing and working on whatever I need to work on. So I felt the way kind of quick, and I already knew that I had gained weight before I put this little bathing suit on. So I'm in my feelings a little bit about that, but not really, because I still have a few weeks before my birthday to get right and act right and do what I need to do So in the meantime, I'm going to just do what I've been learning to do, which is to relax, slow down, be in the moment, you know, be with my family and just do the things that, you know, they really enjoy. And I don't want to make it sound like, you know, I don't enjoy it either. I enjoy being with them. So most of it, you know, whether I enjoy it or not, I'm gonna find some fun in it. I'm gonna find some good moments just for me. So it might not be this cool because this sun is doing the most. And I was trying to lay in a little lounger, right, and get a little relaxation, but the sun keep coming up and trying to make me darker quicker than I want to be darker. It's too early in the season. It's not even, you know, summer for real yet. I'm not trying. I told y'all I'm not trying to be a patchwork teddy bear. I'm trying to keep my complexion as long as possible. So I'm in the little canopy thing right now. I'm gonna go back over there with the kids and sit under the umbrella. And I guess we just gonna have a good day. And if my daughter throw this thing at me while I'm on this video and I lose my mind, y'all already know why.
Okay. You done this before? Huh? You did this before? No. Oh my God. Yes. Mama, you. Hey, I'm gonna say nothing.
What you want me to say?
No. The professionals do this.
He going into the pool.
Did he die?
Okay. I mean, is he drowning, Jesus? He all right?
No fear, sweet idea. Wind came and the vibe that
He did it, though.
CJ, you good?
Life like a cougar. It's your birthday, sleep in the air. Yeah, you are beautiful in every way. Better grateful, don't complain. Celebrate the way that you day. It's your birthday, baby. Go, yeah. It's your birthday, go, yeah. One for the birthday, yeah.